welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your online high school business. If you run an online high school, then managing all the student queries and collecting assignments can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will automate this whole process on our behalf. And not only this, it will also feed your data automatically in Google Sheets. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for online high school. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, I'm going to send hi. And our chatbot responds us with, "Hi, welcome to ABC School Online High School Assistant. How can I help you today?" And it has provided us 3 options. I'm going to select the first one that says class schedule. And it responds me with, "Please select your grade." And it has provided us 2 options. I'm going to select the first one that says grade 11. And it responds us with, "Here's your class schedule for this week, Monday to Friday 9 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. And it has provided us link to the classes. Next, I'm going to select submit project. And it is asking, please upload your assignment file in PDF, document or image. I'm going to send this, and our chatbot responds us with, "Submission confirmed. You will receive a grade within 3 days." Next, I'm going to select the last option that says ask a doubt. And it is asking me to give me a question. So I'm going to provide a dummy response as ABC. And it is asking me for email. So I'm going to provide a dummy email like this. And it says, "Your question has been sent to the teacher. Expect a reply by tomorrow." Let's see if it actually feeds our data in the Google Sheets. And as we can see, it has automatically feeded our data in the Google Sheets in the place of email and question. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect, which not only responds to the queries but also feeds your data automatically in Google Sheets. Now, to create this chatbot, first open Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard, and for that open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach our flow builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for Online High School. On the screen, there's a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression and it is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose template and when we click on it, we get a list of all the approved templates. You can choose any template to send to the user. Now I'm going to curate the first message with the help of text button and here I'm going to add a welcome message. Like this. And our message will appear like this to the user. Here I've added little star signs because it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. Here with the help of add button, I'm going to add some quick reply like this. Now we have to curate a response for each quick reply option. Let's begin with class schedule. And for this, I'm going to access the text button again. And here I'm going to add class schedule and I'm asking please select your grade. So I'm going to give some quick reply options for grades. Like this. Now we have to curate a response for each one. So let's begin with grade 11. I'm going to choose text button and here I'm going to add. Here I've added this message which will look like this to the user. Here's your class schedule for this week. Monday to Friday 9 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. and link to live classes. And here you can add an actual link of the classes. As a dummy response, I'm going to link this one to the similar response as well. You can provide quick reply options and responses as per your needs. I'm going to move on to the second option that says Submit Project, and for this one I'm going to access the action type notes and then I'm going to click on Ask Media to get media question box. I'm going to place it here and here I'm going to ask Submit Assignment, please upload your assignment file, PDF document or image. I'm going to leave the contact custom field empty and in the media type I'm going to select document and I'm going to enter number of attempts as 3. You can provide as many attempts as you want and I'm going to leave the validation message empty. And then I'm going to link it to the Submit Project Quick Reply option. Then I'm going to curate a response for this with the help of text button and here I'm going to add this message which will appear like this to the user. Lastly, I'm going to curate a response for Ask a Doubt and for this I'm going to access Ask Question and I'm going to link it to this Quick Reply option. And here I'm going to ask. Here I've added this question, ask your doubt, tell me your doubt question. And here in the contact custom field, I've selected add and as format, I'm going to select any. If you want to learn how to create contact custom fields, you can check the link in the description box. Now I'm going to curate another message with the help of ask question. Here I've added kindly provide us your email so that we can directly send the answer to the email. And here I'm going to choose contact custom field as email and as format I'm going to select email. You can provide as many number of attempts as you want and I'm going to leave the validation message empty. Then I'm going to link it to API request option. I'm going to connect it to API request option and here it is asking for webhook URL which we will get from Pabbly Connect. Here we have to paste the webhook URL from Pabbly Connect, so we are going to visit Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Here we have arrived on Pabbly Connect dashboard and you have to click on workflow and you have to name your flow and click on create to create a new workflow. So this is our workflow for online high school. You have to choose trigger application as Pabbly Chatflow and as trigger event you have to click on new message received. And here we will get a webhook URL which you have to copy and paste it to the API request option. We will select post and in parameters we will add all our contact custom fields such as add and here I'm going to select add and as email and here I'm going to select $email. Then I'm going to click on test. API request successful. Then we will go to Pabbly Connect and here we can see that we have received the response. That means our API request is working perfectly. Now we have to choose a trigger application, and for this I'm going to choose Google Sheets. Click on it and then click on add new row and click on connect. And here automatically spreadsheet has been selected as online high school, and now here we have to map the data for name and doubt. So I'm going to click on it. As name we have selected email address, and as doubt we have selected add. Now I'm going to save and send test, and here you can see it has sent details to Google Spreadsheets automatically. Let's check, and as we can see here it has added 2 new fields as $email and $add. That means our flow is working perfectly fine. Now I'm going to save this, and then we have to curate a status fallback response for this with the help of text button. Here I'm going to add this message: your question has been sent to your teacher, expect a reply tomorrow. And this is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect. If you want to create the same, you can follow the same procedure as I've shown in this video, and once you have created your flow, you can save it from here, and once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.